Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is Essay on Republic Day. Watch this video till the end to know important points we should know about Republic Day. So let's begin. Republic Day has been celebrated every year in India on January 26 since 1950 to honor the date on which the Constitution of India came into effect, written by Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. India was a colony of the British for over 200 years and became independent from the rule of the British Raj following the Indian independent movement. Republic Day describes the importance of the Constitution of India for every Indian. On this day, the entire country is laced in tricolor to convey that India is a nation where unity in diversity is celebrated. K.R. Narayanan was the president on First Republic Day. This year, there will be no chief guest for the Republic Day celebration due to COVID-19 pandemic. This year, India will celebrate its 72nd Republic Day. Important points we should know about Republic Day. Although a draft of the Constitution of India was presented on November 4, 1947, it took 2 years, 11 months and 18 days to finalize the Constitution of India. 2 copies of the documents were signed by the Assembly on January 24, 1950. The Constitution of India came into being on January 26, 1950 from 10:18 am. It is the largest constitution in the world. Our constitution is calligraphed. There are 2 original copies, one in Hindi and one in English, which are preserved in the Parliament of India. Jai Hind.